Hi, this is a quick screencast to share with you how to push out lessons to specific students within iready. When you go access to iready, you will go to Online Instruction and Math, and as you scroll down, you'll pick the concept. So in this case, if it was 3rd grade, I could pick a concept. Maybe it's maybe I'm working with 3rd grade, but I actually want to push out a 2nd grade lesson. So I'll change that to a 2nd grade lesson. For students that need differentiation, I will pick my lesson and click Assign Online. When you want to push a lesson to all students, you can just select classes and basically pick your class and go forward with the process, and it will go to everybody. But for differentiation, you'll want to click Students, then go forward in the process, find your students, continue on through the process, and then send it to them. When that's done, both on whole group lessons or differentiated lessons, when the students log in, they'll have 2 boxes. One box over here that says their path, and that just iready creates for them based on the diagnostic assessment. And the other box over here will be assignments that you have sent them. I hope that helps with pushing out lessons to the whole group and differentiated lessons for students. Thank you.